You walk a queen, you always keep it G.
Okay, so this is the prepping portion. So before I apply my press-on nails, I like to take my nail drill. And this is just like a regular nail drill that I got off of Amazon. It's really nothing special. I would actually like to upgrade my nail drill. I actually have one like in my Amazon cart, but this one works perfectly fine. It's called Crenova or something. I don't know. I'm probably saying it wrong, but yeah, it's just like a regular nail drill. That nail drill actually came with I think it's called like a foot pedal, but I don't use it. Like, you don't have to use the foot pedal, but if you would like to, it does come with one. And I like to just go ahead and file the inside of my press-on nails, just like where my nail bed will lay, and it just helps to make the nails last longer. So this is pretty much like a very, very important step that I take. And I've noticed even with like the store-bought press-on nails, when you don't file the inside of it, they don't last as long. And I'm going to show you guys how I prep my natural nails as well. I actually cut my cuticles like off camera because I know you guys probably don't want to see anybody cut their cuticles, but it's nothing special. Like, I literally just push back my cuticles and cut them just like a little bit off because my nails did grow out and it was time to cut them. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just file the inside of my press-on nails. I kind of already did this one, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish these off camera, and then I'll show you guys how I prep my natural nails to make my press-on nails last longer. So to prep my real nails, I already mentioned that I cut my cuticles off camera, but I just got finished filing the inside of the press-on nails. So that's definitely a major important step to applying press-ons. That's if you want them to last a long time. So next, I like to go in with just like a regular hand file. I could have used the nail drill, but I don't feel like finding my like the filing bit to it, and I feel like that one is kind of harsh, so I like to just use a regular hand file. So I just like to gently go over my natural nail bed, and this is also to getting rid of the shine as well, or like any type of oils that could be on my nail bed. So I do it to both hands, and luckily I don't have any like, well, I kind of have some right here, like leftover nail glue from the press-on nails that I removed yesterday. But for the most part, all of them are off. Well, all of it is off. Okay, so next, these are two very important products that you need when you apply press-on nails. I noticed a really big difference in my applications. Like, they last longer. So I have the it's a Moravan. This is a brand I got off of Amazon. You can look this brand up on Amazon. but it came together like in a set. So I'm using their nail prep. It's a dehydrated, a dehydrated. Why can I not say that word? A dehydrator for your nails to, even though I already buffed them out, but it helps to dehydrate your nails to get rid of any oils. And then I have the primer, the acid-free primer. So yeah, if you apply both of these, y'all, your press-on nails will last a very long time. But yeah, this is the exact steps that I use to apply my press-ons. I even use this too, like if I don't make my own press-ons. But usually I don't even do this whole step. Like I don't really use like a press-on nail stand. This is just for this is just for YouTube. But usually I would just, you know, paint my nails or like glue them on, paint it, and then I would have applied the stickers, you know, just by just like on my nails. But I will start to use like a nail stand. It's just more convenient for me to, you know, apply the nails and then paint them and then just go about my day. But I'm going to use the dehydrator first. And you only need a little bit. Try not to get it on your skin. But I just go over each nail. Hopefully I'm in frame. Oh, I'm not even in frame. And then this hand. And next I'm going to go in with the primer. The primer is very, very important. Oops, I kind of got some on my skin. So I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit. But the glue, this is like the OG, okay? The Kiss Maximum Speed glue. I've used a lot of nail glues, and this one right here, these are the well, this is the glue that I use for those green nails, and they lasted for like 3 weeks, and I just could not believe that. But it's because of this glue as well. It's like the steps that I'm taking right now are the steps that I'm using to apply my press-on nails, and then also to this glue. I really hope that my fingers were in frame the whole time, or they were focused. But yeah, the Kiss Maximum Speed glue. I have like 4 bottles of this, but I feel like Kiss has the best nail glue. And I actually bought a nail glue off of Amazon, but it's like the one that you cure. And I really don't even feel like having to cure each nail. I may save that for a whole nother video, because that's pretty much like Gel X nails, but just like a cheaper version. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail. So I just go ahead and apply the glue to the nail. But I've noticed that, because usually I would just apply it straight to my nails like this, right? But I've noticed that if I just do it, turn the nail over, hopefully this is focusing. So I've noticed that if I just apply the glue this way, I'm not focused. Okay, so you apply the glue on here and just move it around. You don't need that much. Hopefully that's enough. But then I just flip it over and just apply it, hold it down. I'm not really at an angle where I can actually see, but, and I'm not focused. But this is what it looks like. You just gotta make sure you hold it down until it sticks on. Okay, that's a better angle. And I don't have my, oh, I use this cuticle stick to kind of move the glue that spilled over. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's the first nail. Is my thumb. This looks really cute. I can't wait to do the next one. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna do the next one. I like to go just a little bit above my cuticle. I used to go like way too far down, and I noticed that my nails did not last that long. And also too, I did not used to cut my cuticles, but I noticed once I start cutting my cuticles, my nails lasted way longer. I just use this like cuticle stick to clean up. Okay, so this is what my nails look like all done. And to finish off, I like to just go ahead and use a hand file and kind of get like the edge. I'm not really sure if y'all can see this, but like it's just like a piece of the gel polish, but it just needs to be filed off. So I like to do that. And also too, I didn't file the nails. You know how you're supposed to file off the tip part of the plastic? I didn't do that, so I like to do that last, like when the nails are already applied on. But yeah, that's what I do to finish off. And then I apply some, this is not really cuticle oil, but I just use some sweet almond oil just to apply to my cuticle area. And that is pretty much it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more nail content. I think this is like the best set I have ever created. Like I'm just super obsessed with these nails. I'm gonna start using nail stickers more often. They have some really cute ones on Amazon. I'm gonna try to leave the link to these in the description box so you guys can actually purchase these specific nail stickers. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video. My nails look super cute, and I would definitely give you guys an update on how long these nails last, but I'll try to leave links to the products that I use. The only thing I probably won't be able to leave a link to is this nail drill, which is like very easy to find on Amazon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you like my nails too. Let me know if you're gonna try to make your own press-on nails if you never have done. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time.